Hello, today's video is from home because I've changed what I was planning to talk about. I videoed stuff last month, ready for this month, and as you know, things have changed. So, while you're at home, I hear a lot of people saying that they're bored. Are you one of those people? How can you be saying that you're bored? This is a perfect opportunity to make good use of our time so that when things get back to some form of more normality, that we're ready to rock and roll. So if you're in a profession that's already online, fantastic. Why don't you look at ways to make it even more efficient? If you're in a profession, and I'm lucky to be in a profession like that, where things can be done online, then again, find out how to do so. Now, I deliver training face-to-face. Most of my training is face-to-face. I've already been delivering some training virtually and planning to get some courses online. Now's the time to fast forward that process so that more of it is online. The world was heading that way anyway. This is just giving us a bit of a boost to make it happen quicker. And if you're in an unfortunate situation where you can't do your business online, then again, use this time as an opportunity to grow your social media following, to get visibility out there, visibility and credibility, so that when things return to some form of normality, you've got a bigger target market and you're ready to rock and roll. If you've noticed right now, the people with a huge social media following are still able to be in contact with their customers, still able to give them advice, still able to tell their jokes, for example, if they're a comedian. So please, girls and guys, the world isn't going to go back. In my opinion, the world isn't going to go back to how it was before. We're going to move rapidly into the digital world. And please don't just sit at home, sitting this out, waiting for to get back to normal. The normal isn't coming back. Please use this time wisely. You'll thank me for it further down the line. Stay safe. See you on the other side.